Christmas! Ho, ho, ho! How's everybody doing out there? Be good, because I'm watching you. Merry Christmas!
To all my Made in America fans, we want to wish you a very Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas and a happy, happy, happy and Bill Super Bowl winning 2023. Yahoo!
Merry Christmas! Happy holidays from W.S.A. We're here at the Made in America store in Buffalo, New York. Happy to bring our Made in America clothing directly to you. We feature soft, comfortable cotton and a base layer material that the Buffalo Bills wear to keep them dry and warm. Thank you very much.
Merry Christmas
and jellies.
And from burning asphalt and twisted vines.
Merry Christmas, everybody, from General Welding and Fabricating and the Made in America store.
Happy holidays!
Merry Christmas from all of us at Real New York CBD. Wishing you a happy holidays. And hoping someday you give our product a try and see if we can help improve your life.
Hi everybody, wishing you a wonderful, wonderful, beautiful, Merry, Merry Christmas and all the blessings in 2023. God bless you all.
Have a Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas from Ignite Experience Agency in Yingling.
Merry Christmas.
Hey everybody, this is Ricky Lee with Ricky Lee's America's Best Chili right there. It's a 3-bean chili in the jar. It's got everything in it. Open, heat, and eat or add meat. So it's vegan or add meat, and it's a high quality product. So we're here celebrating America and Christmas here at the Made in America store. I'd like to send a big salute out there to all of our veterans and all of our servicemen out there serving our country all across the world. And happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and we'll see you guys at one of my shows in the near future.
Merry Christmas and happy holidays to the wonderful people and the wonderful company of Made in America store. It's been a pleasure working with you for the last 12 years. And it's a wonderful, wonderful family and friends. Thank you very much. Happy holidays.
How you doing? I'm Mark Andel, owner, founder of the Made in America store. I'm here with Dorothy Fortney, Miss America and the Director of Fun. That's responsible for bringing almost 1,100 buses in. I brought one, so that's $10.99, Dorothy.
We're a good team. Well, the store opened in 2010 with only 50 products. 12 years later, we have 11,000 products, and to match that, 1,100 bus groups have graced us with their visits
tour
here.
Buses coming from around the country, every state. We pretty well got a mark on our board. But before the pandemic, we were up to like 1,000. The pandemic, we went down to maybe 30. And then last year, but now we're back over 100. We just passed our 1,100th bus. Dorothy's going to a lot of shows, but you know what? We're a true destination for West New York, but we sell the area. We've got a lot of great vendors and other markets that we help sell.
Absolutely. We work with all of our tourism partners in Western New York, starting with Jamestown, Chautauqua, going up through Buffalo, just 20 minutes away from here, and Niagara Falls.
And you know what, Dorothy? People love to see what Americans are making. We support entrepreneurs, inventors. We help people get off the ground, but when you come here, our product's 100% made in America, down to the glue, the packaging, and that's just awesome. It's something we're proud of, but when the buses come in, they can't believe that there's a store that exists like this. You know, we say hello, we welcome them, you do an awesome job, we say bye, and you know what, they come back, but they go home and tell everybody about the only 100% made in America store in the world.
And you know what? every bus group asks us to put a store in their community. That's how popular we are with these bus
So
groups.
if you've got a group of any kind, you can use our venue. But if you're on a tour bus, suggest using stopping at the Made in America store. Dorothy, you've done an awesome job. We're going to keep growing it until we get 1,000+ buses a year.
Okay. Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy New Year, and God bless our troops.
Yes, and we're at the All-American event, and I want to say Merry Christmas to everybody. You know, it's all about building relationships and having fun, and today shaking hands, talking to people. There's nothing more important than, you know, saying hello, and we support family and have a lot of free family fun events. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas from General Welding Made in America stores. Come and shop. Free food to see Grandma and Grandpa.